what's up everyone, it's ISSAC here, welcome back. So today's videos I would like to show you how to do the high quality self-cuts in the easy 3 steps.
Yeah, let's go. Just take me now. She said, I wanna feel no pain. Just pin me down. She said, I wanna misbehave. She looks me dead in the eyes. She's staring straight through my soul. She wants something new, she's sick of everything old. She said stay for a minute, play with my limits, drink till we're sinning, baby I'm ready. She said stay for a minute, play with my limits, drink till we're sinning, baby I'm ready to go. Shake that ass like you want it, girl. Down low, flaunt it, girl. I just wanna smack it all around like I own it, girl. Shake that ass like you want it, girl. Down low, flaunt it, girl. I just wanna smack it all around like I own it, girl. Just kiss me now, she said, I wanna feel something. Just break me down, she said, I don't wanna play games. She said she's finally alive when she starts losing control. Yeah. I said I know what to do, just let our bodies go. She said stay for a minute, play with my limits, drink till we're sinning, baby I'm ready. She said stay for a minute, play with my limits, drink till we're sinning, baby I'm ready to go. Shake that ass like you want it, girl. Down low, flaunt it, girl. I just wanna smack it all around like I own it, girl.
Hey, thanks for watching guys. If you love this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, and make sure that never miss my new videos. And if you want to learn how to get this hairstyle, just click here to watch the whole tutorial about this hairstyle. So see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace.